Guys, it's your girl Joy Toha and welcome to the channel. It's been a while since we did a week review and I'm so excited for this one because this is the first one I'm doing since I had my baby. And yeah, so this one is, extra special. Today we're working with Hergivenhair and they sent a very practical wig that I'm so excited to try out. So this is the Shake and Go wig with bangs, and this is what the wig looks like in the packaging. And yeah, so there is this note here from Her Given Air, and the other paper we have there is the product instructions, okay? And they also kept this satin bag in the box just so you can store your wig in when it's not in use, okay? So right now, this is the wig. I'm so excited for this one because they promise that it's a super easy wig with minimal lace, which I'm excited to try out because right now I'm a busy mom and I don't have time to lay wigs, okay? So this is what the wig looks like. I love the color. So it's a combination of I think black and this copper brown color. So this is the little lace we're seeing here. It was, done to give this realistic look in the pattern. And this wig also came with combs, three combs, and an elastic band, and also an extra comb for extra security. And guys, look at how realistic that looks. And the lace over there is bleached, so you don't need to bleach the lace when you receive it. It already comes with a very realistic look and I love it. So guys, let's prep this wig before we wear it, okay? So now I'm putting this wig on my mannequin head. The texture of this wig is a coily texture and it is a 3B 3C 14 inches. So right now I'm just putting on that elastic band because I need this wig secured on my mannequin head. So yeah, this is what the tracks looks like. So you can see this wig is super full. The tracks are done neatly and I'm so excited for this. Like the texture of this wig, guys, it is so soft. Like it is just so soft. There is no way I can explain it through this video, guys. It is so soft and I love it. So right now I'm just going to section this wig and just do some styling on it. Trust me guys, you just need minimal styling because it's a coily hair. All you need is your spray bottle and your comb. You can do without the comb to be honest. And I'm also going to be using my coiling mousse. So first of all, I'm going to spray water on this hair to just activate the coils, and then I'm just going to use my hands to detangle, okay? So if you don't have a comb, it's fine. You can use your hands to detangle. And honestly, I love the coils I got from finger detangling compared to the comb. But if you want your wig fuller, you can definitely use the comb to just, loosen the coils a bit. So now I'm also going to just apply my mousse to just make this hair softer. Trust me, guys, this hair is very soft. It is so soft, but I'm just going to use the mousse to just style it a little bit. And yeah. And as you can see, there is a drawstring which also helps this wig to stay snug on your head. I'm so excited about that. The security on this wig is super amazing. So now I'm just going to use this detangling brush to just brush out the coils because I need this wig fuller. If you don't like your coily wigs too full, it's fine. You can just finger detangle and you're good, okay? So this is what the wig looks like. I love the hair texture so much. This wig is so soft, guys. It is super soft, and I'm in love with the color. So now I'm just going to do another section to style this hair. And as you can see, guys, take a look at the dry section and the wet section, the one we just styled. So you can see there is a big difference. So you definitely need to just at least, I know we are all busy and this wig is perfect for that. Um, At least all you just need to do is just spray some water, finger detangle, and you're done, okay? So yeah, let me just keep quiet so you guys can just watch the rest of the styling. And yeah, I'll get back to you when it's time to wear it, okay?
I remember when you called me all the time, when I knew I was on your mind, whenever everything seemed just fine. And I remember when you made it all seem like that we would end up all.
So, guys, we are back and it's time to style this week. Guys, this is the shake and go week with bangs. And, guys, you will see how easy it is to wear this week. Like, you don't need any glue, you don't need any special tools, nothing. It's super, super easy to wear. And, yeah, we are done. Just pop it on your head and, yeah, play around with the hair, play around with the bangs and you're good to go. So this week is super, super amazing. If you're a busy mom, my baby wants to say hi. If you're a busy mom, this week is super amazing. If you're a busy professional, this week is super, super amazing for you. And this week is from Hergivenhair. And yeah, there are also amazing ways to style this week.
So good, what happened to that? What happened to it? It's exhausting. Trying to think you're who you were and try to love me just like her. And we both know it wouldn't work. And it's exhausting. Convincing myself it's okay to hear from you every couple of days. While I still wonder if you'll stay. Oh, good, what happened to that?
So I'll just show you a few ways to style this week. If you have a headband, you can just grab that and just pop it on it. So this would help you to further secure the wig if you want that. And yeah, just add a little spice to the wig and I love it, guys. It's so beautiful. And if you also want to get the rest of the hair away from your face, you can just grab your a small hairband and just wrap the hair backward. And guys, you can see this wig looks super, super good. It looks super, super good. And thank you so much, Hergivenhair, for sponsoring today's video. If you want links to this wig, I would leave it down below in the description box, okay? And please go check it out and purchase one for yourself. If you're a busy person, you deserve this wig, okay? All right, guys, see you later. Bye.